This feature is really going to be a big feature. It's called Function Compatibility version. Let me give you a quick example here. So ABC, of course, the LEN, the length of that is 3, as you would expect. I'm going to come here, I'm going to open up a dialog box using win period, which gets me these emojis, right? And I'm going to put in 1, 2, 3 emojis, like that. Close the emoji, enter. And you see, even though there are 3 emojis there, the length of that is 6. Okay, now there's a reason behind that. Each emoji is 2 characters, but there's people, I suppose, who deal in emojis a lot, and they really would like the length of that not to be 6, but to be 3. There's all sorts of examples in Excel where mathematicians think that certain weird edge cases Excel is not handling correctly. With millions of existing spreadsheets out there, the Excel team can't fix those because then they potentially break all kinds of other things. So here's what they've done. We have a new thing now called Formulas, Calculation Options, and Compatibility version, right? And they're recommending the original way. This is the way it's always calculated. But if you come here and say, hey, I don't think this is working, right? And they've given you a new version, you can switch just this workbook to the latest version, and then it starts calculating correctly, right? So this little thing here with counting the correct amount of emojis is going to work with len, mid, search, find, and replace. But there will be other examples coming where they potentially fix something and maybe even fix the same function again years later, and like you'll have compatibility version 1, which was the original, version 2 was the second fix, version 3 was the later fix. This is good news. I mean, normally they would never touch an existing function because they don't want to break anything. But now they have the ability to fix something and not break everything because by default, it's going to stay at version 1. But for those people on the edge cases who want the new functionality, you'll be able to get it. Well, hey, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.